So we're going over a PAILS and rails progression for the quad muscle, and just to help with that hip mobility. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into a couch stretch position. If you need to, place a pillow underneath the knee. That's just fine for this stretch. Rest that foot up on a bench or up on a couch. And you're going to go into this position with a high chest where you feel some stretch on the front of that thigh there, even up into the hip. The closer the knee is to the bench, the more of a stretch you'll get. The further away, the less of a stretch. And also, the more you lean back, the more of a stretch you'll get. The more you lean forward, the more that eases some of the tension in the quad. Once you're in this position, we're going to go through that PAILS and rails progression. So a slight variation of a familiar stretch. What you're going to do is you're going to try to pull that heel towards your hips. You're going to count 5 to 10 seconds. It shouldn't move off the bench. That's normal because we're pretty much full stretch here. After pulling towards you for 5 to 10 seconds, you're going to push away from you for 5 to 10 seconds by driving your foot in to the bench. And then after that 5 to 10 seconds, you'll relax, take up any slack that you've gained by going through that progression, and then repeat it. Pull the heel towards you like you're doing a butt kick. Then push away for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax. Add a little bit more tension to the system. You're going to repeat this cycle for 5 cycles, going through nice and slow. Continue breathing through this progression. Really, we just want to get that muscle loaded into some isometrics through different angles, and that can help to lengthen that muscle, decrease muscle tension, improve hip mobility. Give this a shot. Let me know how it feels.